ज़िंदगी में मैं उनसे मिल चुका हूँ,
Right.
उनसे बातचीत कर चुका हूँ, उन्हें देख चुका हूँ।
Did you have any apprehensions before just going ahead with it?
We are already too late.
What are your views?
तो कहीं मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कोई ऐसी फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ जो कुछ अलग है।
What was your first response when you heard it?
And I couldn't understand कि ये पेपर क्यों साइन करवा रहे हैं.
Do you think that the audience of India is ready for it?
I feel any subject which is not run, what people consider run of the mill.
We have this the team of एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. Shelly, Juhi ji, Rajkumar Rao, Sonam Kapoor, and one and only one Anil Kapoor. A pleasure having you guys on board Nagama.
Thank you.
And my question to you is that it's a very unusual subject. Did you have any apprehensions before just going ahead with it?
Not at all. I think it's an amazing story, needs to be told, and we are already too late with it.
All right. So I think the best part that I felt was that it has been presented in a very regular Bollywood film. There is song and dance, there is humor. The entire aspect of Sonam's relationship has been presented in a very natural manner, normal manner, which is something which is, in a way, I think is something that maybe we've not seen before in terms of the way people have addressed LGBT issues in Bollywood films. What are your views?
See, I'll tell you
How
what.
important was it to present it normally?
See, to be honest with you, when I listen to a story, मैं जब कहानी सुनता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि ये दिल को मेरे छू रही है कि नहीं, ये मुझे हंसा रही है कि नहीं, ये मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये किरदार जो मैं निभाने वाला हूँ, ये मैंने कभी पिछली कोई फिल्मों में किया है कि नहीं किया है, ये सब चीज़ें मैं सुनता हूँ. मैं उसकी बाकी सब चीज़ों में नहीं जाता. तो मुझे कहानी अच्छी लगी, मुझे अपना किरदार अच्छा लगा, मुझे लगा ये बड़ी एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, ये मुझे हंसाती भी है, मुझे रुलाती भी है, सारे किरदार अच्छे लगे. ऐसे ऐसे किरदार मिले फिल्म में जो छोटे छोटे किरदार भी हैं. मुझे ज़िंदगी में मैं उनसे मिल चुका हूँ, उनसे बातचीत कर चुका हूँ, उन्हें देख चुका हूँ. तो कहीं मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कोई ऐसी फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ जो कुछ अलग है और कुछ ऐसा उसमें कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे ऐसा लगा यार ये तो आज की कहानी है और मुझे अच्छी लग रही है और बहुत खूबसूरत है और मैंने ऐसी कहानी और ऐसे रोल मैंने किया नहीं है, चलो करते हैं.
I love your excitement actually. It's just amazing. Okay, and what was your response when you heard the script? I believe Ghazal Dhaliwal has written the script.
We have co-written it together.
Co-written it together.
Story and screenplay.
Okay, so what was your first response when you heard it?
So Shelly came to me alone, even though Ghazal had messaged me saying that meet
Right.
Shelly, because I'd met Ghazal before with another director, and so we'd exchanged numbers at that time.
Right.
So I met Shelly after that, and Shelly said first we were told to sign a paper. And I couldn't understand कि ये पेपर क्यों साइन करवा रहे हैं, ये क्या है. तो she said it's an NDA, so you don't disclose the story.
Right.
I was like, Shelly, done enough work, but I could see that she's not mad, she's a very gracious, sensible, nice lady.
Right.
I had no idea that she was related to Vinod uncle at that time. Did I know Shelly?
I'm not sure.
No, I don't think I knew about it.
Possible.
So I was like, okay, fine, let me just sign this piece of paper and I'll read it, I'll hear it or whatever. So first she's like, I will only narrate it to you. I said, but Shelly, I only read scripts, I don't hear narrations. So I was like, see, you give me a certain idea and then I'll read it myself or whatever. So she's like, okay, I'll narrate the first half to you and then you see whatever. So while Shelly was narrating the first half, I read very quickly. So by the time she finished the first half, I finished the whole script, reading the full script.
Nice.
The narration. Then I was like, so she's like, what did you think? I said, I'm doing the film. So she's like, wow. I was like, finish the script, it's very nice.
Right.
So that's how we ended up. I really liked it. It was it was a full bound script with dialogues, everything given to me. And I really thought it was a very sweet, familiar film. Something that I felt I'd seen these people before, I had seen these images before, I had seen all of it before, but at the same time I had not. And that is very rare to find in something that's relatable but completely different.
Right.
And that was the beauty of the script and the story, according to me.
Section 377 has been a landmark judgment. Margarita with a Straw has been made in the past, but एक लड़के को देखा तो ऐसा लगा in many ways is going to be, is set to be, I think, the first film that is actually delving into the same-sex relationship. Do you think that the audience of India is ready for it?
Honestly, I think we've all of us, all four of us have been I'm sorry, but I'm speaking for all of us. We've all been part of films which people might have thought are too progressive or too ahead of their times or whatever. But in the last couple of years, or even when Dad was, with a Wo Saath Din or even Ishwar or whatever films my father's done, or the films that Raj has done, or what I've done, they've all actually done pretty well what people thought. It's a different film. Is it something that you think is going to work? How come you decided to do a film? Whether it's a Ranjana, whether it's a Neerja, whether it's a Shahid, whether it's a Stree. They're different ideas. They aren't run-of-the-mill ideas, what people consider run-of-the-mill ideas. So, I mean, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा it's a love story. And it's a story about family. It's a story about friendship. So I don't see it as different. I just see it as a story that's relevant, which is entertaining.